Hey, I'm Alethea Bruzek, Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Welcome to Made from Scratch. This program is in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. This week, I'll be making chicken salad. So, let's get started. So there's a couple of things I want to mention about making chicken salad that might be helpful or make it a little bit easier for you. You can use any chicken that you have. You can use canned chicken. I used canned chicken for this recipe. The only tip that I would share for using canned chicken is to drain it and rinse it well before incorporating it into the rest of the ingredients. Also, if you want to take your chicken salad to the next level and add some fun things to make it kind of unique, put your own spin on it, you can add raisins, apple chunks, you can add pineapple chunks, you can add walnuts, pecans, grapes, whatever you like. So keep that in mind if you want to try and add something or make your chicken salad recipe a little bit different and unique. Thanks for watching Made from Scratch. You can pick up your free kit at either the Boyle County Public Library or right here at the Boyle County Extension office. Join me next month in the kitchen. Who knows what we're gonna make? I don't. I didn't write it down. See you then.